Hello, this is another video on Locus. That is the area of mathematics where we construct shapes or lines based on simple rules. In this case, we're looking at the locus of points that are an equal distance from two lines. Now, another way you can look at this is that what we end up with is the angle bisector. So that's another thing you have to do in geometry. Doesn't matter, the technique is exactly the same because it's the same thing. So all we're going to do is take a compass. I don't have a compass, so I'm doing it freehand, so obviously you're going to do it better than I'm going to do it, right? But so you take a compass and you put the point of your compass in the point of the angle and you mark two marks on the arms here. And these lines are the same length as each other. That's really, really important. You've used a compass to do it. Next thing is you take the point of your compass and put it in each of your marks one at a time and make an arc somewhere in the middle of the region. So there's one from there, and there's one from there, and these two arcs again are going to be an equal distance because you've used your compass and you don't let the compass move while you're doing it. Now what you've ended up with is you've got a kind of a rhombus shape, and as you surely know, rhombuses and kites have a line of symmetry down the middle. Well, the line of symmetry you've got here is indeed the locus of all points that are equal distance from these two parallel lines. If you take any point on this line and measure the nearest distance to there, it will be the same length. Obviously not on mine because I've done a rubbish drawing, but on one that you do, it'll be really, really good. So that technique, get that one learned because you have to do that quite often. Angle bisector, locus of point between two lines. I hope that was very helpful. Thank you very much for watching.